Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select what you want to display on your widget by using the FlipClock application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Tap on the settings icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Scroll down till you find the settings section and click on display settings. Here you can find these features that you can display on your widgets, such as the 24-hour military time. Tap on the button next to it in order to turn on this function. You can also display seconds, date, alarm clock, screen rotation button, personal signature. You can also adjust brightness, sliding your finger on the clock screen. And you can also select a larger font, slide your finger on the clock scene, and turn on flashlight by double tapping to turn on flashlight. So now all of these functions have been selected. As you can see, if you want to turn off any of these, just simply tap on the relevant button, and feel free to go back to this section if you want to update any of these. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.